Hello viewers, welcome to another Excel formula video series. I hope this video will be interesting and you will enjoy this video because in this video I will solve one specific problem set based on the text data. So you can see I have a list of names here and the names has no specific format, like there are combining all the capital letters and all the small letters and some capital letters and also some small letters. So there is no specific name format, and I will convert this all the names by using proper function in a readable format. You can see I have another example here. There is also the all capital letters and all small letters inside in a sentence. So this format is not looking good, so I will convert this in a readable format. So for this you have to write the proper function first. So you can see there is proper function. So you can see there is a suggestion, capitalize each word in a specific string. Just select this and then select all the cells from here and close the bracket and then press enter. So you can see the Liton dash has converted in a readable format. So you can just copy these cells like here. Okay, so now you can see all the name has converted in a readable format. So this is the way you can solve this kind of problem. So sometimes the user put their name like all capital or all small, or also sometimes they write this way. So you can solve this problem by using proper function. So the same way you can solve this problem by using the proper function. Then select this cell and then press close bracket and then enter. So you can see this text is now converted in a readable format. The thing is that there are all the starting letter all capitals. So I think this one and this one is looking better than before. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next video. Bye.